Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I am fine. I am good. I'm okay. My name is Anna. I am a student. I live in a small town. I like coffee. I like tea. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I drink coffee. I eat breakfast. I go to school. I study English. I read books. I write notes. I speak English every day. I practice speaking. I listen and repeat.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
How old are you?
I am 28 years old.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early and drink coffee.
What do you do at school?
I study English and read books. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Where do you study?
I study at a small school.